I look so crazy right now, but I just threw on this sweater because it's a bit like outside. My hair is cut, guys. Like, I'm waiting for my aunt to just like shape it up and add some layers and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna like finish cleaning my car out. So as you guys know from the last vlog, if you didn't watch that, go watch that. From the last vlog, I told you guys I was just gonna be updating, so that's what I'm about to do. I got these wipes yesterday. They were like $3 at Walmart, and I'm just gonna go around and do that. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you guys the back. I literally just wiped this down, so it's still drying. I got my pillow that my sister got me for my birthday. Here, I just thought it was a cute touch. Air freshener. I cleaned a couple of those out because they were mad dirty, and nobody really uses this, so I'm confused. I have a bag in there, reusable bag, Tide pen, my window visor thing, and then this is the front. Nothing crazy. Hair so short. It's not even, but my mom said she'll fix it. Here's the before.
Away from you, making sure that I'm doing my part. Boy, is there something you want to do? If you want it, say the word, try it. And now whatever I'm not fulfilling, another one is willing. I'm gonna fulfill you my body.
What's it called? I just showed them. You weren't even looking. Okay. You almost snatched my eye out of my
Ain't another woman that could take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot.
Now we let it dry. got this for a baby shower I'm going to with my boyfriend. And her theme is Mickey. I was looking at her registry and I'm gonna get this and something else. So I'm just gonna come to the baby shower with this, and then I'll have the other things sent to her house. Okay, don't mind the bed. She's changing the sheets, but I'm gonna get that. I got that. And then I also got this wallet. Look how cute this wallet is. Look at that. It has skulls on it. It's a Betsy Johnson wallet. And it was $10 basically. So I'm just gonna switch out my old wallet for this one. Cute. First house of the day, the shower. The bathroom's kind of small.
I like this one. This is my room.
It's a closet. Nothing. I don't even think Mom's gonna like this. This is not a master bedroom. Look how small this is, guys. This is not a master bedroom.
This is the one. I think so.
Oh my gosh. I think you're right. Wait, stand in the corner. Guys, look how small. And she's not even 5 foot. No, Mom's not gonna like this.
I like this. I like the fact that there's no ground below us.
Yeah. There's no closet in the bathroom. She's not gonna get this. I'm an adult and I need privacy.
Elissa! Act like you're an adult then.
Same closet space as the other one. This is the master?
No, it's not. The other one's master.
You're lying.
No.
Wait, there's no fridge. We'd have to buy a fridge. I like this. This is cute. So right at the top of the bathroom. This is mine.
Huh?
This is decent.
I keep this.
Look at the backyard.
Alright, Elissa? Yeah. You saw that.
Who got that?
This is your room. Put your bed here.
Yeah, I mean, where else would it fit?
Alright, so we agreed.
Look, and I have like a closet.
Your head is sticking. Alright, so
There is no closet in here. There's only 2 up here. There's the master bedroom. So there's another stairway up here. Then you open this door. Then you have a closet, another living room, and a bedroom. Another bedroom. So I have Angel with me, so I have to be quick. But I just got a Shein package. Wait. I'm sitting here, not you. I just got this Shein package and I have my car stuff, so I'm gonna show you guys. So this is what it looks like on. Cute. cute to match this. Cute. I know you saw that bling. And then that. Okay, so it's 5:42. I just got my last package. And May's gonna help me set it up. And she has no idea what it is. And you guys don't know what it is either. Haha. Okay, so I got puck lights. Puck lights.
I don't even know what puck lights are.
Puck lights are the ones that like you like tap and it like turns on. But these have a remote. I don't know if I need batteries yet. So I got an 8-pack because it was the cheapest one they had.
I thought you have a serious reason there.
So that's the remote. And these are the lights. And it comes with this double-sided sticky thing. So I need to find batteries. I need AAA. We have AAA here? Alright, so I'm gonna come back when I find batteries. Okay, so this is how my hair turned out. I've worn this all day today through house hunting and stuff like that. This is what I got from Amazon for my car. Didn't work out. The sticky things did not stick to anything, so I'm gonna return them. And I bought batteries. Yeah. And I have to, what else was I gonna say? Oh, my belly button piercing. So that's a whole story that I have to tell you guys about later.
That's all, folks.